Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for a Bitcoin and all crypto market. Actually, it's a short update just to confirm almost that yes, we have finished a correction after a bloody 2-3 days, even since the weekend, right? We start to see like very red candles, but yeah, so good news. So as expected, we have bottom for the wave E in this triangle after, of course, A, B, C, D, and a E, and finishing a wave Y in W, X, Y, and of course, your wave 4 in the orange scenario, which is a big impulse after here topping for your wave 3 and having this correction as W, X, Y, and here we go. So yeah, as expected, and yeah, during the video now we are looking for an impulse probably towards the upside already started with a contracting diagonal and very shallow wave too. And as I said, okay, after a triangle and after such a correction, which it might be very long, and especially finishing with a triangle, you will see an explosion with the price because, yeah, getting so long in a correction and having a triangle is a very deep and long correction where we have found finally a bottom for the price for Bitcoin, which it was 94,200 almost. So yeah, these are the insight. And as we said, also of course on the KGT here, we are looking at a divergence with the bullish signals. Of course, as you can see here, a this price and this one. And of course, the signals, the last two signals are giving us a divergence. So this is a signal, of course, of a bullish market has started, plus of course your accumulation for the buyers. As you can see, once you got almost in the bottom and after the signal, you would like to see three candle bars at least for buyers, or even every one candle bar or two candle bar in red, you would like to see some green. And here we go, the green is are moving up and up, and yeah, here we go, it moves up for us now. And of course, we are as well in a buy signal. This is your third confirmation as well. You have a buy signal from here. So you have triple confirmation for the scenario, and we might move towards the upside continuation of the bull run. So yeah, pack up and and start, of course, yeah, to get fresh in the market. Basically, we are looking for the targets here at minimum 113,000 for Bitcoin, 0.618, and this is taken, guys, from yeah, the wave 1 2 here, and based of course on the top of the wave 3, giving you of course these fib levels at 113. And of course your TP2, let us say, okay, if it was very bullish, then yeah, we might see a 123,000, and of course 1 2 3 4 and a 5 impulse finishing this orange scenario. And of course, by this scenario, you will finish a wave 3 in the yellow, where we would like to have again another correction, which yeah, we still don't know how much deep this time it's gonna be, but basically because it is the first correction after 1112, it's gonna be very severe and very deep and sharp. Basically, the second correction is not gonna be very deep as this one, because normally based on Elliott wave, of course, as you can see, you have a shallow wave 2 and short, then you get as alternation very deep and a long wave for your wave 4. If you get a very deep one or medium one, let's say, you might get, of course, even a sideways, but not very deep as well. If you get a deep one here for the wave 4 in the white scenario, because this one is very deep, we might get a very sideways and then continuation towards the upside. So by all means, this is your hardest wave 4 that you ever got. So yeah, we might finish, guys, the bull run in January 2025. At the end of it, probably, I this is my expectation for the time. So I think that we gonna finish this cycle basically in the first months of this year or at the end of it, and start, yeah, somehow with a correction. It might be deep, it might be shallow. We're gonna see, of course. with some deep analysis. So far, of course, that is, as you can see, there is no very deep analysis every weekend as we used to, because of the bull run that we are looking at, and that we just want to finish those 4 5 waves. So that was it for this short update, guys. Trade safe, of course. Now, what you would like to see, just as a one last tip here, is basically if we have finished here a wave one, if that is considered a wave one, because yeah, you can count, of course, on the 5 minute where you can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Probably we are looking to something even bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it is expanding even this wave. So we might see 3 waves down, and then of course continuation towards the upside. And that would be a 100% confirmation almost. Yeah, I mean, that is nothing 100%, but yeah, I would say a 99% if we get even another CVD here on the KGT signal, and of course 3 candles, a green, for the accumulation of buyers, and then of course moving towards the upside. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in KGT, you can contact me directly. Of course, the description below have all the details. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next one. Bye bye.